to my channel. This is Rosie at Home. I will be participating today in a collaboration, and it is hosted by Marilyn, and her channel name is Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and she has two co-hosts, and the names of her co-hosts are Tammy. Her channel name is Queen of DIY, and Stephanie, and her channel name is Creatively MsMe. And this collaboration is part of a monthly Tablescape color series, and the color for November is brown, and the name of this collaboration is called Don't Frown on Brown. Are items I purchased from the thrift store, and I'll point out a few items I purchased from other places, starting with the napkins. I purchased them from Amazon, the placemats from Ross, the coasters from Ross, and in the center the beautiful gold and white pumpkin is from Joann's. And I use a brown curtain as a tablecloth, and in the center I have two placemats shaped like leaves. They are brown from Ross. Napkins with the flatware from Dollar Tree, and everything else, well, except for a few pics inside my beautiful vase, and I'll show you her right now. And she is a beautiful brown mosaic vase. I purchased her from the thrift store. Brown is underrated. It's a beautiful color. It looks so glam against gold and cream colors. Oh, I love brown. And inside Brownie, that's her name, are beautiful poinsettias. And I purchased those from QVC, and all the other flowers and picks, some of them are from Marshall's and some from the thrift store. And how beautiful is she? I love brown, and I do not frown on brown. And now I'm going to thank the lovely hostesses. Marilyn, and her channel name is Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and I enjoyed participating in her collaborations. I will list her channel below, along with her two lovely co-hosts. Stephanie, and her channel name is Creatively MsMe, and Tammy, and her channel name is Queen of DIY. Please, you guys, check their channel out. They have great content. I will post their channels below, along with the playlist of all the other participants. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope you guys have a very safe day and a blessed day, and thanks for watching.